Google Chrome extensions are the small apps that run within your browser to enhance the functionality of your Google Chrome, and it is always a good idea to use these Chrome extensions. And in this tutorial you will learn how you can add an extension in Google Chrome, and also that how can you remove that extension from Google Chrome. Google Chrome extensions are downloaded from the Chrome Web Store, which you can access by clicking this store option here. But in case you don't see here, you can just search for the Google Chrome Web Store. So this is the interface of the Chrome Web Store. Here, if you know the name of an extension, you can click here and search for that extension. Otherwise, these categories for different extensions are shown here. Like if I click on this productivity, so all the extensions that are related to the productivity will be shown here. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to download this Google Translate extension. So in case you found the extension of your own choice, just click on its name, and in the next page you will see the small description and few screenshots. And on the top here you will see add to Chrome. Just click on that. It will start to check for the extension, and then you will get a pop-up message of add extension. Just click on that. Once that extension is downloaded, you will get this pop-up message that the Chrome name of that extension, like in my case Google Translate, has been added to the Chrome extension. So what you can do is that in order to use that, you can click on this extension icon, and here you will see all the extensions that you have downloaded. And if you want to pin that extension onto your toolbar, you can just click here and that extension would start to show here, and from here you can simply use that extension. So now how would you remove an extension from Google Chrome? For that you have to click this 3 vertical dots. Then from the drop down menu, go to the more tools, and in the next sub menu click extensions. From here look for the extension that you want to remove. You have two options. Either you can just turn that extension off for a short period of time till the time you are not using it. However, if you want to completely remove that extension from your Chrome browser, just click on this remove button. It will caution you that the extension will be removed. Just click on remove and that extension will be deleted or removed from the Chrome browser. At the end, I just want to recommend a very useful extension which I want you to use, and that is the Grammarly. It helps you to correct your grammar, spelling and punctuation related mistakes everywhere that you type within your Chrome browser. Meaning by that, whether you are writing an email, whether you are writing within the Google Docs, or you are updating your status on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, it will ensure that your text is error free. So I would highly recommend to use this extension, and I have given the link of this extension in the description below. Just click on that and it will take you to the download page, and then you can follow the same procedure which I have shown you in this video. In any case, thanks for watching.